Hi students, in this video we are going to learn question number 6 from 13.1. Our question is, a medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder with two hemispheres stuck at the ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm, that is 14 millimeter. The entire capsule, the length is 14 mm. The total length is 14 mm is given and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. So the diameter means the hole. This line is 5 mm. So diameter is equal to 5 millimeter is given. If diameter is 5 millimeter means radius will be 5 by 2 definitely. 5 by 2 we can write it as 2.5. So radius of this capsule is 2.5 millimeter. So here one more important point. So the radius of the cylinder also 2.5. For the hemisphere also radius will be 2.5 only. So the radius is 2.5 we got it. For any hemisphere if you take, radius and the height will be the same only because it is a spherical shape. Always the radius and the height will be same. Since radius is 2.5, this height also will be 2.5 only. Same way here also. For this side also the height will be 2.5. Definitely it will be 2.5 because radius is 2.5, height is also 2.5. Now we need to find the height of only the cylindrical part. Cylindrical part height I want means, so height is equal to, from this 14 millimeter I should subtract this side 2.5, this side 2.5 have to subtract. So you should write 14 minus 2.5 minus 2.5 we have to subtract. Minus minus means 2.5, 2.5 will become 5 now. So height is equal to 9. So 9 millimeter is a height of your cylindrical portion. Now let's write it whatever given in the question. So they have given cylinder and hemisphere is given to us. So after writing this, so cylinder radius is 5 by 2 millimeter. Same way for hemisphere also the same radius. Radius equal to 5 by 2 again. Now height, for the cylinder height what we have found out here, height is equal to 14 minus 5 is 9. So height is equal to 9 millimeter we should take. So for hemisphere height we will never use in any formula. Only for calculation part we have to think over it. Now we will go on to the question. Find its surface area. Find its surface area they are asking. So surface area is equal to, surface area means that over outer layer we are going to paint with something like that. You just think over it. When these two sides are attached with this, so definitely for the cylinder, top of the cylinder and the bottom of the cylinder will not appear outside because it is attached already. So which part will be visible outside? Only the cylindrical portion alone will be outside, it will be visible. So the top and bottom will not be visible outside. So the surface area is equal to CSI of cylinder plus for the hemisphere also the top will not be appear outside, it will be inside. So only this part alone we have to do the area value, that is a CSA. So how many times CSA we should calculate? Mean 2 times we have to do because we have 2 hemispheres. So 2 into CSA of hemisphere we should write. We have 2 hemisphere, that's why we are multiplying with 2. So 2 times hemisphere. So CSA of the cylinder formula 2 pi RH plus 2 into CSA of the hemisphere 2 pi r square. So here first let us do the simplification with the formula. So 2 2s are, it will be 4 pi r square. Now let us take the common term outside. For these two table is common, pi is common, r is also common. After taking this outside, here what is the remaining part we have? H. Write this H. This plus sign will come as it is. From this 4 we have taken the 2 outside, remaining one more 2 will be staying. Pi we have taken out. From r squared 1 r went outside, remaining 1 r will be there, that should be written here. Now let us apply the values now. So 2 into pi value 22 by 7. Instead if they have given pi value is 3.14, that we should take. If they are not given means we have to take the 22 by 7 as it is. And r value for both cases is 5 by 2 only. So 5 by 2 we can take it outside. H value we have found 9 millimeter for the cylinder. This H is coming from cylinder only. So 9 plus 2 into R. So 2 into 5 by 2 we have to write. So this 2 will get cancelled. From here this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So the remaining 22 into 5 will give you 110 by 7 multiple by here 9 plus 5 we are getting 9 plus 5 is 14. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 110 into 2 we are getting, which is equal to 220. Question is given in millimeters. Your answer will be millimeter square because we are finding surface area of the capsule. We are getting 220 millimeter square. That is your final answer. Thank you children. That's all your problem. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.